start with other things. It's okay. All right. Sorry?
We are under a national medical insurance, which was given to us as we saw in as members of parliament. Therefore, our medical insurances do cater for everything and do have history of our sicknesses, because we have not got these sicknesses while in prison. We have been monitored. So we so pray under your guidance that they allow us follow our medical insurance with our appropriate doctors. Some of them are not in the country, and others are specialized people who cannot come to where we are. Your Lordship, if they have ambulances, they can take us there, or if in any way, Your Lordship.
The particulars of offense allege that Honorable Allan Sewanyana Muhammad Segirinya Muhammad and others still charged on the 2nd day of August at Seka B village, Kankamba Parish, Seka sub-county in Rwengo district, with malice aforethought, you killed Wanaka Joseph. My duty is only to communicate to you the charges, and you know why you are before this court. Murder being a capital offense is tried by High Court, and since this court has no jurisdiction to try the case, it even has no jurisdiction to grant you bail.
Choose not to comply with the legal procedure, with the procedure under the Constitution. That is our major issue, Your Worship. So we pray that in the event that they want to effect any rearrest, they should follow what the Constitution says. Lastly, Your Worship, in any case, these are honorable members of Parliament that were previously summoned through the Speaker of Parliament and appeared on their own at Masaka Police Station. So we pray that such avenues can be utilized than depicting the image of the judiciary and rendering court orders nugatory and useless, Your Worship. Finally, Your Worship, it's about their health condition. Your Worship, under the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, all individuals have the mandate to protect rights. The accused persons are very sick. They suffer from renal failure, hypertension, conditions that need specialized medical attention, which is not in Chigo prison. So we pray that as we process their bail papers, at least the authorities where they're going to be remanded can be directed to allow them access specialized medical attention by their doctors, Your Worship, so that we can protect life. I so pray, Your Worship.
Therefore, our medical insurances do cater for everything and do have history of our sicknesses, because we have not got these sicknesses while in prison. We have been monitored. So we so pray under your guidance that they allow us follow our medical insurance with our appropriate doctors. Some of them are not in the country, and others are specialized people who cannot come to where we are. Your Lordship, if they have ambulances, they can take us there, or if in any way, Your Lordship.
And we pray that this court has the mandate to direct that the accused persons access medical attention. That's a matter within the mandate of court, because it's a matter of life and death, and all persons are empowered to protect life. We do not have to say that we have to wait for High Court to see it and then determine the fate of the health of the accused persons, Your Worship. As I earlier told you, they were arrested brutally and taken to Chireka Special Investigations Unit. So they have never actually been set free. That's why I'm making this prayer, Your Worship. Because the court cannot try dead people. And it's happening to very many in there. I so pray, Your Worship.
We are not aware of the rights of the accused persons that were violated officially. We are not aware as prosecution. I'm getting it for the first time here in fact. So we can't submit much on that. Secondly, the right to medical care is not derogable. So it is imperative, Your Worship, that the medical authorities, we agree with the counsel for the accused persons, that the accused persons access medical treatment because it is an inalienable right.
The advantage legal. How is Chico's medical or health conditions?
Kigo has a medical facility which is at the level of Health Center 4. And I'm very sure they can always offer medical services. But like guided, the medical superintendent of Maximum, which is not far from Kigo, can always intervene.
He sits at Rosella.
He sits at Rosella, and that's not far away from Kigo.
From what she said or submitted, is that the accused persons are entitled to medical attention. Wherever they are, and as prosecution, we are not officially aware of their rearrest. And as such, our hands are tied. The eyes are shut and legs tied to comment or submit in respect to that. That my ancestor would want in respect to the accused persons who are granted bail by the High Court should be addressed to the High Court, because we believe that it has a jurisdiction to handle such complaints.
And within this time, you are supposed to appear before this court after very 14 days to be told of the stage of the inquiries. At completion of 180 days, if you are not yet committed to High Court for trial, you will have right to be granted bond by this court. But however, if you feel you have special circumstances that warrant you to apply for bail, you can apply through the High Court. Medical care to the accused persons, and they are now remanded at Chief of Prisons until 13th October.
Your Worship, for record, Richard Bill.
Batista, Segirinya, Wamwaita Mpasamale, Kaya Black Joseph, Kaiza Ashraf.
767 on page 21, Uganda versus Sarada Christopher.
Members of Parliament have today been charged with fresh charges, and the offence is murder of one Bwanika Joseph from Chiseka village in Rengo district. Those charges were read to them. However, since this court did not have jurisdiction, the two accused persons were remanded to Chigo prison. We're in respect of the medical condition of both honorable members of Parliament, because they are very sickly, limping, and they cannot get adequate treatment while in prison. So we wanted the honorable court to allow them access specialized medical attention while in prison, and if possible, take them to the facilities where they can get good medical treatment even while still in detention. However, court has declined and said that it told the prison authorities to do the needful using their medical facilities. So unless we apply for bail for them and court grants them, and again a court order is respected, that is when they will seek medical attention from outside prison.